Okay, so one of the most powerful troubleshooting tools in Windows is Event Viewer. And you can get to Event Viewer by clicking on the Windows icon here, and then you can just type in Event Viewer. I already recently looked at my Event Viewer, so I can just click on it here to show you the example. Basically, Event Viewer is a logbook for Windows. So it's going to log everything from installations, anytime the Windows starts up, any shutdowns, software crashes, any errors it encounters, and it records all of that information here. So just a few things to note about this application is, for example, the logs are located here. And so application logs will just be showing all the logs where problems occur with any programs. Security is going to show you all all the logs and record any sign-ins and any security related issues. Setup is going to track all the Windows installations and anything related to Windows updates. And then systems, this is where I'm often checking, because systems is going to log all of the anything that contains hardware or driver or operating system events. And so when you troubleshoot and you're troubleshooting as an IT professional, you're going to really focus on like the warning errors and criticals. So you can actually filter these events by going over here into the actions on the right side, excuse me, and you can also select like a time frame, so the last hour all the way up to 30 days. So for example, in the last hour, if I checked critical events, I can click OK, and we can see that I haven't had any critical events within the last hour. But within the last 24 hours, I did disable my external hard drive incorrectly. So let's see if we can find that error. So that's going to more than likely be a warning or error. And we can click 24 hours, and then we'll click OK. And then as you can see, the error is here. So here it is right here, surprise removal. So as you can see, this is very helpful. You can save the files, you can download the files, and is definitely helpful because you can find the root cause of the problem and when it occurred. So if you're learning CompTIA A+, or if you're working in a help desk or wanting to learn more Windows troubleshooting, please follow along. I'll be covering more built-in Windows tools that every IT technician should learn. Thanks for watching.